In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Bing's AI image generator just in few seconds. So let's get started. So as you can see, I already have my account over here. So for people who are new to this website and they want to open an account, what they should do, you just need to go to Google, search for Bing AI like this. Click on the first link over here and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So this is new AI trending website that is generating a really an amazing image, guys. So what you will do after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Just click over here on the search and ask this website to make any image art you want. So for example, let's ask him to make for example, boy with a girl, okay, for example, watching sunset in the age. So let's see, and you just need to click on create over here. Okay, just click on create and you just need to wait few seconds and you will get an amazing image art that you can use on the web, because those pictures are trending now. And as you can see, here you go, let's check. So look at this one, it's a really great, that's great quality, amazing, as you can see over here. And as you can see, after you finish, you can just click over here on download and those pictures will be downloaded to your laptop or to your computer. So that's how you can use Microsoft Bing's AI image generator just in few seconds. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.